Okay, being poor. I guess I should. I have no food. My parents died 2 years ago, and all they had was a golf cart. It's okay. At least I have somewhere to live, right? Okay, I'm gonna go down to the barn. Because I really need something to eat. Is this the way to the barn? Come on, could this car go any slower? Oh, I'm so bad at driving. Am I there yet? Oh, that's not the barn. Where am I even going? Oh no. Ugh, now I have to walk there. I mean, at least I had a car? Oh yeah. Where even is the horse place? Stables. Come on. Run! Okay. Oh. I can't be their mom. Am I almost there? I think it's just over here. Oh no! Someone's bike is on fire. I think I have a fire hydrant. Maybe I could have this be mine. Come on, work. Ugh, it's not going out. Can I just, I'll use it anyway. Oh, this is so fast. Oh yeah, I'm so glad I found this. Oh no, there's a person at the stables. Okay, here we go again. Hello? Hello? Do you talk?
Hi.
Oh, hi. I'm kind of like looking for food, so just don't mind me, okay?
Okay, here, I have some extra food. Come to the barn with me.
Oh, thank you. I'm surprised you're not rude like all those other people. I'm poor, by the way. And my name's Amber.
Oh, I'm Riley.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
like taking my horse out to the stables.
Oh, I've never seen anyone here before. I come here to get food a lot, but it doesn't really work out.
Let me go get some.
Oh, thank you. Wow, this place is so cool. I'll just go over here in this corner. Let me just
Okay. Here is some money.
Oh, no, please, no. It's okay. I have a house. It's okay. Well, I mean, it's not a very good house, but...
Here's a sandwich, too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. And here's some takeout for tomorrow.
Oh, how do you give it to me?
There you go. Did I give it to you?
Thank you. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so glad.
Get it?
Do you want to come back to my house?
Sure.
Okay. Well, I don't really have a car. I kind of stole a motorcycle that was in flames.
Oh, yeah, there's another horse over here.
Oh, really? Where?
Yeah, just wait here.
Oh. Wait, there's one right here.
Oh, okay.
How do you get on it? Whoa. Ah! Okay. It's okay.
Let's go.
I don't really have much luck with riding horses. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's okay. I got this. I got this. If I'm calm, then the horse is calm. It's okay. Thank you, by the way.
No problem. Where's your house?
Well, it's kind of like all the way down there. I don't really know how I got here. I kind of just stole a motorcycle and then I crashed my dad's golf cart. So, I mean, my parents died 2 years ago, but all they had was a golf cart, so I just have that. So, it's just down here. It's kind of far.
Do you need anything? Because I have a lot of stuff.
Well, I think this takeout should keep me pretty good because, I mean, I haven't had food in like probably 30 days, like a month, but it's okay. This is my house over here.
Okay, 1 second.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's my house. Where should I put this horse? I can't really take it into my house. Where do I put it? I guess I'll just put it over here.
Wait, where do you go?
I'm in my house. I'm at my house. Over here. Over here. This is my house, so it's kind of green. It's my parents' old house, but I mean, over the last 2 years, it kind of got bombed. But it's okay. I've been still living in it.
Oh.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
You too. Do you want to go to my house later, maybe?
Sure. Can I keep this horse? I promise I won't crash it like my dad's golf cart.
Yeah. You may just want to leave it at the ranch sometimes, though.
Yeah, I promise I'll feed it. Here, there's a whole entire little place over here that it can run in, but I'm not sure if it's gonna like it. I mean, this place is pretty beat up.
I bet he'll love it.
I'm so excited. It's my birthday and my friend's coming over. I wonder when she's getting here. Oh my gosh. Hi.
Hi.
Let's go, come in. Oh, you could just put your horse in the back.
I see you upgraded your house.
Yeah, a lot. Thanks for letting me work at the barn.
Hello, horsey.
Yeah, that's my new horse. I'm so thankful.
Oh, hi.
I'm so thankful that I was able to work at the barn because I don't think I would have had this if I didn't. Come in. All right.
Okay.
All right, I bought these 2 cakes. Let me just put them on the counter. Sorry.
Why, is it a special occasion?
It's my birthday.
Really?
Yeah.
Just kidding, I knew it was. I have presents for you.
Scared me. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Can I have them?
Well, yeah, they're your present.
They're so pretty.
Did you get them?
No. Hold on. Thank you. What color? White. I love white.
And then I also have your birthday present.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
That's just one of them. I kind of ran out of wrapping paper, so I'll just give it to you straight up.
Yay!
Other present.
A phone? I've always wanted one of those things. Thank you.
Now you can call me.
Yay. Okay, well, do you want to go get ice cream? I mean, I don't have a car, but let's go on our horses. Oh, that's the bathroom. You go get your horse. I'll meet you around the back.
Okay.
Or around the front. I'm so happy.
Oh, I just came in the backyard.
Oh, I'm out. Okay, let's go get some ice cream. I think it's down this way. I haven't really been to the ice cream very much. It's all the way over there. Here, let's walk on the sidewalk. Ooh. Come on. Oh, you're going that way? Race you to the ice cream place. Haha, I'm here.
No, I'm so close.
You were. Okay, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What do you like?
I think chocolate vanilla birthday cake, bubblegum, or a mint chip.
Definitely birthday
I'm just
cake.
gonna get the mint chocolate chip.
I got birthday cake. I'll pay for it. Where's my credit card? Oh, there it is.
It's okay.
No, I got it.
I'll pay for it.
No, I pay for it.
No, I will.
Look, I'm already paying for it.
Fine. But I'll pay you back later.
No. Okay, come on. Let's go take our horses to the barn and just chill there.
Okay.
All right. I'm just gonna eat mine while we're going. Race you to the barn. Come on.
My horse is tired.
Oh, then we could just stay here. Let's go in the arcade.
Okay.
What do you want to play? This
I
fun.
want to play this game.
I'm playing this. Kind of reminds me of being on the horses.
Oh, there's birthdays upstairs.
Really?
Good. I reserved it for you.
You did? How do you
Yeah.
know?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Huge thanks to my friend Nadia. Say hi.
Thank you for having me on your channel. I had really fun making that video.
You're welcome. So turn on notifications and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.